What's the meaning of amniotic fluid? Amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid.
Amniotic fluid is a clear, yellowish liquid that surrounds and protects a developing fetus in the womb. It acts as a cushion, providing buoyancy to the fetus, allowing it to move freely and promoting healthy musculoskeletal development. The fluid also plays a crucial role in regulating the temperature in the womb and protecting the fetus against infections and physical trauma. In addition, the amniotic fluid contains important nutrients and hormones that support fetal growth and development. Overall, amniotic fluid is essential for the healthy development of a fetus during pregnancy.